Green Nation. Yeah, we're ready. We're not afraid. Remember, we're not afraid. We're ready. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. From the city face, you know, say, I laughing with Michelle and Ian, yeah. You see, tonight we come about somebody, you know. Tonight we come about somebody, we come about Green Nation. Green Nation will come out right so tonight. Green Nation, we're not afraid. Tell him
Green Nation.
We not afraid.
You don't have no relation. A joke, yeah. Your brother from a different mother. You got yourself, Green Nation. I know
we not afraid.
You know the thing, I know that.
Guys, Green Nation called me out for a challenge, you know. Well, not me per se, Ian. We call out Ian for a bear challenge and for a dragon challenge. But we're not having a dragon, we have Guinness. I think a Guinness. A Guinness challenge himself. But he will go on.
Sure,
they feel like
challenge,
yeah, he have a dragon one and he have a Guinness one as well.
Alright, so let's start from top. Yeah.
So listen now. I don't think I'm going to make my man alone take on the challenge, you know, Green Nation. Green Nation, I'm not afraid, no? Me not afraid. So I feel like me, I go do the beer and make Ian do the Guinness. Or you want to do it for him?
No, I saw you want to jump in and jump in.
Green Nation say you're afraid, no? Green Nation say you're afraid.
We know afraid.
We know afraid.
I'll do it from morning, me no beard. Me no afraid.
Alright guys. So we have got time with self. Oh, put it here first. Me first I go.
Where I say?
Yeah man. Turn on the timer.
Look.
Stop. What is this? Reset. Okay, guys. So, guys. Yeah.
Me I drink till thy kingdom come. You vex bout it?
So, Ian, I got time, guys. As me put in my beer, you press start.
Put your mouth. You put your beer.
I go put it on my head. As I put it on my mouth, so you press start. Alright. So, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, go on. Clap around, you know. Let's go now. 10 seconds. Come go on, yes, sir.
Never me tell you go do it. I never me send you go do it.
No, sir. Oh, there we go. No, sir. This not cut out.
This not look good. Oh, you tell me clap.
No,
You tell me clap.
Me up first.
No, this not safe. Where? How much I can that?
Alright, Michelle, I lose the
I'm
challenge.
gonna do it now 1 minute. Michelle, you go on until 1 minute. Jesus Christ. I'm not know so me's not a drinker. Me's not a drinker. He's a pretend drinker. Relation, me lose. Alright. 31.83. No, so that's a big loss. That's a big hell. Alright, hold on, boom. Let me reset. Alright, guys. Reset for Ian. See there? Yeah. So, Ian, time now. On your mark.
Guinness.
On your mark. Get set. Go, boo.
God Almighty. This looks serious, man.
Jesus Christ. No, sir. This is a wickedness. This is a Go, boo. Go. Yes, you're finished. You're finished, boy. Guys.
Oh, me do.
27.48.
Boy, Green Nation beat with bad.
Badly beat we. Badly, Green Nation beat we.
Brother.
We take with L. We take with
I
L.
have to admit. I have to admit, Green Nation. Nah, I'm not a relation.
You
Sitting
beat
there.
me, but you know, like slave, you know?
Come like an
You
not
beat me
sure.
like a slave. You beat me like a slave, but guess what? We are going to take on a challenge when me know you can manage. Me not ask you. Green Nation, me not ask about that challenge. Yeah. Remember me tell you that, I can show you for now.
I have to go hold you. On a different round.
You see this?
Pepper
Now I'm going to do it
challenge.
tonight. Pepper sauce challenge. Me not even going to use that one your character use already. I'm going to use a new bottle. 5 spoons of pepper sauce in less than 1 minute. 5
Push up
spoons of
challenge.
pepper sauce in less than 1 minute. And Stuart family, see that know? You say 10 crackers in a 1 minute and I see your own go eat 3. Look here.
Why Green Nation have to give it to you? Yes, brother. You're great. You're great, brother. So you make it. The Guinness and the Dragon last out of the back. You know what? 1 second.
Beer. 10.8.
Brother, I'm going to catch you back on the rebound.
10.87.
I forgot to catch you back on the rebound on a different thing.
Stuart, me
You
the
see
thing
me?
say
On a
crackers challenge.
different thing. Because I have to beat you on something, you know. Yeah, I have to beat you on something.
No, look at me can't take on the crackers at all.
I wonder if you'll
So
jump out of the plane. You'll jump out of the plane with me. You'll jump off a bridge with the bungee jump rope. Ah, sir.
Me, I forgot to take on the pepper challenge because me feel like the only challenge me can win, honestly. And Ian, I forgot to take on the push-up challenge. That we can win.
You can conquer you.
I almost throw up.
On a different plane. You know, I forgot to change it. I forgot to change the settings.
So shot the beer there.
Green Nation, you don't know, you know. We don't have an excuse to the last car for your lose. You see me, but remember, when my thing there, I young plus nature, I say. So here when I'm going to catch up on the hillside. Yeah. Want to catch up on the gully side. Yeah.
On the farm.
Yeah. In a river. Yeah. All in a sea. Yes.
Yeah.
So, you win. I'm not an excuse, you win. But, I want to catch up on a different level, on a different playing field. You hear that?
Play field this man.
Yes, I feel
Are
playing
you
field.
a play field? I have to give it to you. This is your play field.
Not because I know when you know, I still have go for the dragon. I'm still have go for the beer, you see me? Don't you say you're a water bird. Michelle, Green Nation, a water bird. I know it's still Green Nation, I'm just a come on for a road and beat up some rum. You see me? I just a beat up some rum.
You know your name and plus Nature TV?
Yes, but I don't know more time I have to go out there. We enjoy ourselves because I'm more than one side of we still, you know. So we have to exercise both sides and stay balanced, you know?
Yeah.
Stay balanced.
So, yeah.
So big up yourself, Green Nation, my relation. You don't know we have to step out on the next challenge. You hear that when the time is
Green
right.
Nation, me national.
Yeah.
You don't know, big up yourself. Big up all our YouTube family them, new families and old families. Big up Lashos, big up Taylor's family, Stuart
Yes.
family, you know, don't know, you know, remember, you know, we are parish, you know, we are village, you know, we are everything. Big up on yourself, we don't know what's true love. Guys, please subscribe to Nadine Grace channel, guys. Oh my God, she's so inspiring. Michael Farmer, big up yourself. You all know, just big up yard and abroad. Just big up on yourself. But I accepted your challenge, Green Nation, and we
Yes.
lost. So
One down. No.
big up on yourself.
Not because you know, I still have go for the dragon. I'm still have go for the beer. You see me?
Big up on yourself, guys. We're out. Big up all of my YouTube family them. Straight
Respect.
love, respect.